So, I've been working on a farming game, which sounds very normal until I tell you what kind of farming game. Hey, I'm Max. This is my first devlog for a game I'm building in Unreal Engine. There isn't a ton of gameplay to show yet, and honestly, that's kind of intentional. I wanted the first devlog to be about why I'm making this, and not just what it looks like. This is a project I've been thinking about for a long time, and it's not just a game idea, but something I actually want to commit to and grow. So, this video is more about the direction and the philosophy behind it, and setting a foundation for everything before it turns to features and deadlines. It's something I care a lot about, and I want to build the right way. At its core, it's a first person farming game, with a goal to feel relaxed and open ended, hoping to be a game you can play without feeling rushed. Plant crops, raise animals, sell things at a market, and expand your farm. All the familiar stuff. But the way you interact with the world is where it starts to change. A lot of inspiration comes from games that let you play at your own pace. Stardew Valley is an obvious one, right? Not just because it's a farming game, but also because of how calm and personal it feels. Slime Rancher was another big influence, with the first person perspective. Being inside the world instead of hovering over it changes the way everything feels. Then there are games that I sunk way too many hours in, like Forager and Minecraft. They have great progression systems where everything you do has a purpose. And on the opposite end of the spectrum, Satisfactory, the game that permanently damaged my brain for optimization. One of the main ideas behind this project is player choice. I don't want there to be one correct way to play. So instead of just upgrading tools linearly, the game uses a proper skill tree. Some skills focus on farming efficiency, some on automation, and some just about movement. You can invest into moving faster to get around your farm, unlocking traversal abilities, or just making a physical act of getting around more fun and interesting. So, yes, you can spec into moving fast instead of being good at farming. There's also plans for online multiplayer, with an interesting idea on scaling. So, what always irritates me about games is when you join someone to play and level up and spend all this time, and then you go to play by yourself and you're just back to square one. So that's why I'm adding a progression and scaling system to each player. So you're not skipping the entire game by helping someone further ahead, and you're not punished for playing with your friends either. Your character stays with you in whatever world you play on, regardless of if you're earning skill on your farm or a friend's. You can add more characters if you want to, so you can travel and gain skill with whatever character you choose. And the idea is for it to feel more cooperative than exploitable. As for development, here's the rough plan. Right now, I'm focused on the core systems farming, movement, and the overall structure of the game. After that comes the skill tree, automation, and multiplayer, with visuals to come once the foundation actually works. This is flexible and things will probably change, but I want to be transparent about where I'm aiming. If this project sounds interesting to you, I'd like you to stick around. The next devlog should have actual systems to show, not just ideas. And either way, I'll document the process honestly. Thanks for watching.